Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup product reviews using Yotpo export options, detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup product reviews using Yotpo export options, begin by logging into your Yotpo dashboard. Once you are logged in, navigate to the reviews section of your dashboard. In the reviews section, look for the Manage Reviews tab. Click on this tab to see all your product reviews listed. Locate the export option, usually found in the upper right corner of the reviews list. Click on the Export button to begin the backup process. A drop-down menu will appear, offering various export formats. Choose the format that best suits your needs, such as CSV or Excel. After selecting the format, you may need to specify the date range for the reviews you want to export. Fill in the date fields appropriately to narrow down your selection. Next, confirm any additional options, such as specific products or review types. Once everything is set, click on the Export button to initiate the download. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that your export is in progress. Depending on the number of reviews, this process may take a few moments. You will receive a notification once the export is complete. Access the Download section of your account to find your exported file. Download the file to your computer or preferred storage location. Open the file to verify that all desired reviews are included in the backup. If everything looks good, your backup process is complete. Make sure to store the file in a safe location for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.